basil, oregano.
I need oregano. Who has oregano?
We've got oregano.
Oregano, basil.
Red pepper and oregano.
My parsley.
It's parsley.
Parsley soda.
Parsley.
Pea.
Single pea.
Pea soup.
Pea soup.
Crispy sweet potato, regular potato.
Potato.
Potato. Potato.
Grandpa Potato!
Potato.
People like pumpkin.
I like pumpkin soup. Do you like pumpkin soup?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin.
Cucumber, radish, corn.
I said radish.
Radish. It's quiet. Okay. Have a radish.
Is that a radish?
Rutabaga and
Nope.
Rutabaga? Maybe some rutabaga or something. I don't know, anything cooking up.
Turnips, rutabaga, carrots.
Rutabaga.
Onions, shallots, garlic.
Shallots.
Okay.
Mangoes and shallots.
Shallots, garlic.
Shallots. Scallions.
Spinach farm, huh?
Spinach salads.
Spinach.
Spinach?
Mushroom.
Spinach.
Okay.
Did you get some string beans?
With string beans or broccoli?
You know, we got some chicken and dumplings, some string beans.
String beans.
Mashed potatoes, string beans, and
A teaspoon of thyme?
Salt, pepper, thyme, cinnamon.
Thyme and coffee.
The dry thyme mimics the thyme in the beef, makes sense.
Sage, thyme, rosemary.
Tomato.
What's that?
Fresh tomato.
A tomato.
Ah, the juicy tomato.
oh, what nice tomatoes!
Wasabi.
Soy and wasabi.
Ah, wasabi.
Wasabi. Lots.
Eat a spoonful of wasabi.
My zucchini casserole.
Zucchini.
Blech. Zucchini.
Zucchini bread.
Zucchini.
Zucchini, cucumbers,